Today's video feature is how do you go about looking for the right workers' compensation lawyer for your case? Well, you're on the right track immediately because you're here. You've done some research. You've maybe done a Google search or a Bing search for workers' compensation lawyers, and you've looked at a few sites, looked at a few biographies, and you have at least some initial interest in our firm. We're certainly honored. Now, the quick 15-second promo is this. I've done workers' compensation law in South Carolina now for 31 years. I was a former workers' compensation insurance defense lawyer for the first 7 years of my career. And before I was a lawyer, I was a registered nurse. So I know very well about complex injury cases, what it takes to treat them and how to care for them. And now I use all of that experience to help clients who are facing a serious on-the-job accident now. The best part about my firm, in my opinion, is the fact that we are personally available. You can reach me directly by mobile phone, by email, or text. And a lot of clients like that because very few things come up during the regular office hours of Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5. So I know if something comes up in the evening or certainly on the weekends and you need some answers to calm some anxiety, you can reach out to me. I can give you the answers you need, and then you can go about your business in a much calmer fashion and sleep much better that night. Now, when you interview a workers' comp lawyer, ask them, how long have you done this? How often do you go to hearings? How many cases do you handle on average a year? Also ask them what sort of appeal record they've had. Now, it doesn't matter how many cases they've won or lost because every case is truly different. Now, after 31 years, I'm pretty good at gauging a case. I look at everything first from a defense background. So if you have problems in your case or your case is not viable, then I will tell you so. I will be absolutely straight up and candid with you. And if your case has some weaknesses, and almost every case does have something we have to anticipate and prepare for, then I identify those weaknesses first and go to work on that aspect immediately. So that by the time we get to a hearing, if it goes that far, or mediation, then everything that we can do to help your case will have already been done. I also know how to evaluate cases from the insurance company's perspective. I know what they look for and how they value cases. I also know how the commission will value cases. So when I make a suggestion to you that something is either a good deal or a bad deal, I will tell you why and give you the pros and cons and the options, and then you decide. The other thing is I never put pressure on clients. It is always up to you. So if you don't want to go through the stress and anxiety of a trial and want to take a settlement offer, even if I think we could possibly do better at a hearing, that is your decision, and I respect that. It's your case, your life, and you know what's best for you and your family. So I'm honored that you're considering our law firm. If you have additional questions, I'd be honored to sit down with you or meet with you by Zoom or talk to you over the phone. My mobile number is 704-351-7979, or email me, Robert@rjrlaw.com. Thank you so much.